Hey there, welcome back to the channel on a very sunny day in Monte, Ecuador. So, I just got my Brazilian visa, e-visa. So, as you may or may not know, starting on April 10th, I believe, U.S. citizens, Australia and Canada as well, are required to have an e-visa to enter Brazil. Well, I need to go through Brazil on a trip that I'm going to do, so I thought I'd better get an e-visa. So a couple pieces of information I thought might be worthwhile for y'all to know. Let's switch over to PowerPoint and break it down by the numbers. Okay, as always, let's break this down here in our PowerPoint of death. So Brazil e-visa, like I mentioned in the intro, starting April 10th for 2025, US, Canadian, and Australians all need visas. It's no longer visa on arrival. Now, most countries in South America, Ecuador, well, let's walk it down, Panama, Colombia, Ecuador, Chile, Peru, Uruguay, Argentina are all visa on arrivals. I'm not sure about the East Coast ones. I've never gone there, don't plan to go there. Certainly Venezuela, don't go there. I think Bolivia, I wouldn't go there right now. There's some upheaval going on there, but Bolivia also, you need to apply for a visa before you can go there. Brazil just started theirs on April 10th. It's relatively easy. I did it, quick and easy. You apply online. It's a 10-year multiple entry visa. It's good for a 90-day visit, 90 days per visit. A little bit of mixed information on whether or not you could do more than 2 visits per year or more than 1 visit per year. One website I saw said it's only a 90-day per year that can be extended to 180 days. Other sites said you could come more often. The one that said 90 days was actually a Brazilian government website. So let's assume that to be true unless proven otherwise. So 90 days a year for a visit, you can extend it up to 180 days. Anything beyond that, you're going to become a tax resident, so you probably don't want to stay any longer. But you can go there and have some pretty nice Brazilian steak and enjoy Brazil for 90 days for sure. And this is good for 10 years. You go in and out. So websites, you go to the website. Let's list the first one, www.vfsglobal.com. This is the one I followed from Brazil or from gov.br. This is, they say they're the official website for Brazil's e-visa. Seems to be accurate since I followed there from gov.br. BR being, of course, the domain name for Brazil. The fee was pretty straightforward, $80 plus a 90-cent service fee. Not too bad. I used a travel card. It saw that as a professional services charge and not as a travel charge. Unfortunately, no travel credit cards. I use Chase Sapphire. Anybody's got an American Express out there and gives it a try, let's see what they come up with. If you get points on any card, leave some comments for me. Let me know. Now, if you do a flat out Google search, you're going to come up with a couple sites. This e-visa travel will pop up. It may be a perfectly fine site. I have no idea. I started the process and they were charging me $153. I'm like, wait a second. I thought this was an 80-something dollar thing. Sure enough, it indeed is. It's $80.90 if you go through the official government site. They're charging an $84 government fee and a $69 service fee. Needless to say, I did not continue the application on this site. It may be a valid way to get a visa. I don't know, but I'm not going to pay nearly double when I can just go to one site, get it. Let's see, with this site, I applied. It took a couple days to confirm the payment, and then within less than a week, I got notice of the visa. No fuss, no muss. It's an electronic visa. You get it, you print it out. They recommend bringing 2 copies with you whenever you go to Brazil. Print it out, bring 2 copies. I obviously uploaded it to a permanent space on the cloud that I can get to it from my phone as well. So if you want to go to Brazil, you got to get this e-visa in place. You might as well do it now because it's good for 10 years. Normal stuff apply. You have to have 6 months valid on your passport to apply. So if your passport's going to expire within 6 months, go get a new one before you apply for this. I just got a brand new passport last year, so I'm good. This actually goes a little longer than my current passport. Since the passport's on the number, you probably have to reapply when you get a new passport, so keep that in mind. That's it for now. Let's go back. So as you can see, the e-visa is fairly easy to get, didn't take too much money, and it's a fairly good visa lasting for a long time. I'm looking forward to going to Brazil and trying it out. Don't forget to print your 2 copies before you go. And as always, thanks for watching, and hope to see you out on the road somewhere. If you think about it, hit the subscribe button. It helps me. Thanks. Bye.